Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making blueberry muffins using Amasi. So I first of all mix the wet ingredients, so that means that I have to mix all the eggs, the sugar and the vanilla essence all together with the oil, and then I mix it. This way it mixes well, it gets well incorporated. You will find out that I'm using melted butter, but you can actually use vegetable oil. Yes, you don't need to use butter. If you don't have it, you can use vegetable oil. And I just put in a little bit of vegetable oil there because it just keeps the whole muffins very moist. If you're adding oil, make sure not to use olive oil. It doesn't go well with baking, so you'd rather use vegetable oil or canola oil. I decided to do the hard work by using a whisk. You can actually use your electric mixer if you do have. And now the fun part, mixing the dry ingredients. As in the video, you can use a sieve. I was very lazy to do that, so I just decided to pile everything in there, which is not really best practice, but surely the results are just the same. Mixing with this is fun, but ooh, it's going to be hard work to clean this up.
Emotional damage.
Yes, that's right. I shouldn't have used a whisk. I should have just used a spatula. But anyway, the fun part, went on to add in my Amasi so that it can be well incorporated. It will be easy as well to mix all these together. Amasi is a isiZulu or isiXhosa for a thick milk curd similar to cottage cheese or plain yogurt. This is very popular in Southern African countries. The most popular brand is known as Inkomazi.
2 hours later.
This milk can be eaten as a relish with pap, and it is very creamy and delicious. If you're wondering what pap is, please check out one of my videos on how to make pap. The mixing should have taken literally about 2 minutes using a hand mixer, but I decided to do a bit of exercise for my arm, and it's really fun. I had to separate my batter because I am making 2 flavors. The other one will be chocolate muffin, but I will post that on a separate video. I've decided to use fresh blueberries because they taste better on my muffins, but you can use frozen berries, but make sure to thaw them before you can add them into your batter. This step is quite easy. It's just making sure the berries are well folded into the batter. And now comes the best part. I already had lined up my muffin tray with some muffin paper, but you can actually use some butter and flour so that your muffins don't stick. Now into the oven and back. A sprinkle of sugar for that extra sweetness. Not really necessary. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you're already subscribed, make sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss when I post. And don't forget to like this video.